Reducing and simplifying fractions. Sometimes you might have a fraction, such as 4/12, that can be simplified or reduced to another fraction that's the same thing, but is in simpler terms, meaning it would have a smaller numerator and a smaller denominator. So in this case, we need to first find the greatest common factor, then we need to divide by 1 to find out what the simplest form would be. So what I'm going to do is find the greatest common factor of my numerator and my denominator, 4 and 12, and I'm going to list those. And what I mean by greatest common factors, or by factors, are numbers that divide evenly. So I can find out factors of 4 by asking myself, what whole number times what other whole number is going to give me 4? I know that 1 times 4 is 4, so both 1 and 4 are factors of 4. And 2 times 2 is 4, so 2 is also a factor of 4. I cannot multiply 3 by anything to get 4, so that means 3 is not a factor of 4. So my factors of 4 include 1, 2, and 4. Now I have to find factors of 12. My factors of 12 would be 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. I know that 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 all divide 12 evenly, so they are my factors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 are all of my factors of 12. Now, to reduce the fraction 4/12, I have to ask myself, what can I divide by to get the same thing? I'm going to end up dividing by the greatest common factor between 4 and 12. Looking over here, I see that 2 is a factor of 4 and 12, and 4 is also a factor of 4 and 12. Since 4 is bigger than 2, 4 would end up being my greatest common factor. So I can take 4/12 and divide it by 1, but in this case I'm actually dividing by 4/4, which is equivalent to 1. Now I ask myself, 4 goes into 4 one time, so 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 4 goes into 12 3 times. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 1/3 is the simplified form